welcome to another episode of the SkyoöD-Vu P.O.V show. Just a quick walk around, a little bit of a status update on the Projekt Audi A3 1.8 Red T daily driver. Just got the car out of the car wash. I know I shouldn't use the car wash, it's not good for the paint. I did, however, clean the winter wheels. They were almost black from brake dust. The cars have been sitting basically non-stop since, well, yeah, it's been parked since roughly, 20 March when lockdown happened. And, yeah, that was mainly because the windows wouldn't go down anymore, or at least they could go down, but they wouldn't come back up anymore, and that's been fixed in the meantime. The guy who did the work for me, I know it's something as a project car I should be trying to tackle myself, but I watched some videos online on how that happened, and I don't know. I just didn't feel real comfortable trying to do it myself, so I had to order the parts off eBay, which I will put on the link down there because the guy who did the installation for me said that the parts were much better than the Audi originals. So that's something to keep in mind. Another thing I noticed, and excuse the car, still, well, got stuff piled up inside of it, but it is all vacuumed and clean as I can get it. Those seats look pretty nasty. Seems to be running smooth. But I noticed on the Autobahn, because I hadn't driven wrong, so I took it for a quick 20-kilometer jaunt up the Autobahn back, just to see how get the engine warm, get the oil all over the place, and I noticed that there was a massive hesitation. Which you can't see here now, but when you accelerate, hesitation, so I'm wondering if maybe that has something to do with the ignition system. Something's going on with it. Trunk is absolute mess, but yeah, gotta reinstall the radio because I had posted pictures. I did install a generic shark fin roof antenna on it, which I think looks pretty cool, and we're gonna go ahead and set this on the ground and do an exhaust now. I gotta say, the one thing I'm still really unhappy with is how low that exhaust hangs down. I just don't like the look of that. I'm hoping that I can go to an exhaust shop. There's a really good one, Auspuffstein, on the other side of, well, on the west side of Kaiserslautern. There's a good Auspuff exhaust shop, and they didn't install this end type for me. My regular mechanic did, but I'm gonna talk to them and see what they're gonna be done about putting that up. All right, so that was just a brief status update. So if you like what you heard, like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.